Good morning and Happy New Year, guys. As I previously talked in other videos, I want to make this channel about ClickFunnels as well. Not only about Facebook marketing, but ClickFunnels because it's what I use, what we use, most of our clients use to get, to build their website and landing page. So in this video, I'll make a quick overview of what do you need to know about ClickFunnels, and in other separate videos, we'll go in depth about each of those sections. So let's start. Now we're here at the dashboard section of ClickFunnels. Obviously, you'll have some things blurred out because there's like some personal data in here, which I'm not allowed to show you, obviously. I'm not telling about sales and stuff like that, but contact information, which is private. But let's start. So here's your plan. No big deal. Quick links, favorite funnels, pretty explanatory. Funnel flicks training. So clients asked me about this. Let's open it in a new tab. You can access it with your ClickFunnels account. It's basically a training area with a lot of cool programs in here. So cool courses. It's Frank Kern's here, as well as called John Reese. So all the grades are in here. I suggest you visit it and do as many as possible. It's like a gold mine in there. These are just shortcuts, the same trainings in there. Obviously, funnel sales, recent sales activity. Here's a calendar with all the events you have. So for example, if you go on January 12th, you have this virtual hackathon. So I can basically join all of those events. Those are live. And based on the plan you have, some events may be available and some of those maybe not available for you. You also have follow-up funnel stats and affiliate earnings. The follow-up funnel stats means basically how many contacts you have in there, how many contacts you have gained, so stuff like that. But it's dashboards, pretty explanatory for the most part. Then we have here in the top right corner an account settings. Again, this is pretty much self-explanatory. I will not go through all of those. It's basically company details, time zone, APIs, payment gateways, integrations, email integrations. So this is like some stuff I'll cover in later videos because some people have problems with those. Like, for example, an email integration. How do you send emails with an external server if you're in the 297 plan? Or how do you set up the ClickFunnels internal email integration to send transactional emails? If you're interested in this, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to make a video about this in the future. You also have integrations, like you can integrate with Shopify, I think also with WordPress. You can also integrate with Infusionsoft, ShipStation. So there are many integrations available. So there's like billing. You have page templates, which is also pretty cool. You can save a page as a template and just reuse it at some point in the future. I do this a lot, like copy paste. That's like most of our stuff, right? I mean, once there's no point in reinventing the wheel. If something works, just make it once, profit of it 100 times. This is a help section, like I know, pretty much self-explanatory. This is backpack. So if you're in the 297 plan, you'll have this unlocked for you. If you're in the $97 a month plan, this will not be available to you. Basically, this is a platform inside ClickFunnels which helps you manage affiliates and creates links and a special membership area for your affiliates, which is pretty damn cool. I mean, you would pay good money in another place just for having this platform. What I can do from here is basically I can make commission plans for my affiliates. I can make commission plans based on some of my programs. If you've ever been inside the dashboard of ClickFunnels affiliate program, this is how it would look like for you. I mean, this is like for your users actually. So you can track them, you can pay them from this platform. It's fully integrated. If you want to extend your business, and I honestly suggest you do want to extend your business through affiliate marketing, you want to go in here and set up some affiliate products they can promote for you. Cool. Now let's go in here. This is basically all about backpack. We can cover it in a separate video if you like that. So again, just comment below what would you like to know. We'll go into follow-up funnels next. Well, this was previously called action funnels. Let me go into contacts. Obviously, it's pretty much self-explanatory, and like most of this screen here really blurred because it's personal information. You'll see here all your contacts, like lifetime contacts, past 7 days contacts, past 60 days. You can download your contacts from here as a CSV file. You can. This is like one thing I wish ClickFunnels would do. Just sort them better by tags or something, or order them by that. So this is something they would have to implement in the future. You can also create a contact or import a contact. So pretty cool. Email lists. There are two things about email lists you should know. So let me add a new list and I'll show you. There can be like a regular list, and there can be a smart list. If you hit this toggle down below here. What's a regular list? A regular list is a list you add people to. So for example, you can set up an action inside a funnel. If a person does this or opts in or something, just add them to the people who opted in list. And you also have smart lists. What smart lists mean is they're based on some rules. And this is pretty cool. ClickFunnels will make a list for you. And this is amazing for follow-up funnels. So for example, we have smart lists for people who bought product A, but didn't bought product B. So we send them certain types of emails. And then we have another smart list that says if they bought product A and product B, to put them inside this list because we're going to send them separate types of emails. So it's pretty cool. 99% of the time we use smart lists, but it doesn't mean the regular lists are not good. It just means we're finding it easy to use smart lists. Broadcasts, this is like blast emails. So you can create a new broadcast and send it to a list of people. It can be a smart list, it can be a regular list. So you just select the list and it will send out the email to all of those people inside that list. Follow-up funnels, this is where the money is. So this is where you create abandoned cart email flows. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how one of these email flows looks like. So you have several emails in here. Each goes out at a certain point in time. This is an abandoned cart email sequence for one of our programs, and each goes out at a certain point in time. You can see here 0 hours, which means immediately after they opt in but do not buy, because we have a list here. They opted in but did not buy. What you should know is like usually a 20 to 30 minute delay before a person gets added to a smart list. So if they opt in and they do not buy, it's like it takes them like 20 minutes for ClickFunnels to add them inside that list. So it's not like immediately, it's like 20 minutes later, more or less. So we have this sequence in here. And that's basically it. You also have action funnels, but this is legacy. If you click on it, it just goes back to follow-up funnels. I don't know why it actually says here action funnels have been deprecated and is now follow-up funnels. You cannot use it anymore. Probably it's for super old users or something which still have this inside their accounts and they transition it. No idea. And now for the part that almost anyone is here. Oh, by the way, if you want to create a new follow-up funnel, you can do it from here. Super easy guided process. But we can go through that again. Just leave it in the comments down below, and based on the comments that have the most likes or based on the most, the most requested feature will come first as a video, obviously. So you have here funnels, contact sales, funnel marketplace, and build a funnel. Build a funnel, obviously, like build you a funnel. And let's start with funnel marketplace. I rarely use this, to be honest, because I find them pretty expensive for what I offer, but you can always take a pick inside here. You can shop a template, so you can basically have a pre-built funnel. You can just buy it. So for example, if I buy this 147 funnel, I will get all these pages already done for me. So the only thing I have to do is just buy it. Good. Let me go back to, so that's all about funnel marketplace sales. Another page that will be half blurred, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's just like a page with all your sales and transaction IDs. If you just want to find one, you can find it here. It's pretty easy. Then you have contacts. Again, a page half blurred is the same page as the funnel contacts page. Nothing new here. And then we have funnels. Here is like all your funnels. And I told you, I will show you how to favorite a funnel. Just mark it with a star. It's this little star here. You can just star it, and now it will appear as a favorite funnel for me in the dashboard. So I can easily reach that. How do I build a funnel? It's simple. I just click this button or the button here. As you can see, like their interface changes right now, so I think they're in the middle of an update when I'm making this video. But after they update it all, I'll make probably another video to just show you around. Cool. So if I click on build a funnel, because right now I want to show you how you can build a funnel inside ClickFunnels. Super easy. So I've clicked on that, and I introduced this page. There's a Funnel Hacker's Cookbook. It's a fancy name for pre-built funnels for you. So you have all these types of funnels in here, which you can choose from. So I don't know, for example, the membership funnel probably contains a sales page, a couple of upsell pages, and obviously a membership login and a membership page. So you can sell memberships. You can just like that, and it's a pre-built template for you to be selling memberships for cooking or whatever you want to do. I don't know, you have a sales letter funnel. Most probably it's just a sales page, couple of upsells, and thank you page. That's it. And you also have a classic funnel builder, which opens this little pop-up here and kind of guides you, like, do you want to collect emails? Let us help you suggest something. Do you want to sell your product? Go there. Do you want to host a webinar? Go here. Or you can browse the funnel marketplace for template. It is the funnel marketplace that I showed you earlier. But but this is why I said it's like sometimes I don't find that useful, because all these funnels here are great, and you can find in the Funnelflix trainings, you can find many more funnels for free, especially in Russell's trainings. You can find links to funnels, so it's pretty damn cool. Or you can create a custom funnel. Basically, this creates a funnel for you from scratch, and you can just build every single page starting from a blank page. You can just build it out. But let's say in this case, I want to create from a template, and I'll use this guided creator. So I want to sell a product, and I want a sales funnel, because actually no, let's create a membership funnel. Sell membership, let's test YouTube membership. You can have a group tag here. So for example, let's say you have multiple clients. You have client Microsoft. Oh, great, Remus. You spelled that amazing. Cool. So all the funnels with MSFT tag will be sorted out inside my tabs as an MSFT funnel. So I can easily find it. That's all it happens here. Good. So now I click on build a funnel and then sort it, because it's a fast funnel. I'll just delete it afterwards. And this only created me the membership part. Okay, that's fine. let me add a new tab. I want to create a sales page here. Show real quick. Come on, Remus, you're on camera. You should type better. Amazing. You don't have to specify a path. If you don't, they will just put something there for you. Okay, I have this, like, you have also lots of templates in here that you can choose from. So let's say I want to choose this template, and this is like magic. You can see like it, I will preview it from here. It's boom, I have a page already created for me. If I want, I can go in here and just like change stuff around. I can even leave the pics in here if I want to, like the default pics they have. Just change the privacy policy terms, the logo, the text, and that's it. I have a funnel. You can also move things around here. Here's the stats tab. So you can see the stats of the funnel. You can see the contacts that went through your funnel here. You have a settings tab in here, which you can use for, I mean, you can also add another group tag, this path of the funnel. You can choose a domain for your funnel, favicon. The favicon is the little icon that sometimes shows up in here in the browser. And you can also share this funnel. This is super cool. So if I have a funnel in my account, which is pre-built, it's great, took me like 10 hours to make or something, I don't know, and I want to share with you, I can give you this link and you'll have it in an instant copied inside your account. Like every single thing, photos, text, copy, whatever, like everything is inside there. And this is the cool thing about ClickFunnels. You can do that with follow-up funnels and everything else. But probably you want to show this, you want to see this, so leave a comment down below, and if it's the most rated comment, we'll talk about sharing funnels and follow-up funnels and broadcasts and whatever can be shared inside ClickFunnels, because it's a super powerful feature. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video and you considered it useful, hit a thumbs up button because it helps the YouTube algorithm rank it up higher, and I can get to more people and help them out, because my goal is to give you information for free on this channel that others make you pay for. And don't forget to subscribe and probably even hit the notification bell if you want to get notified whenever I put it up a new tutorial. And again, do not forget to comment for your favorite next feature to be showcased here. See you in the next video.